Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Tray gardens are very satisfying when we create amazing landscapes. So let's begin with the video. Let us learn how to make a patio for a tray garden. So first you have to take a tray, fill it with the soil media, insert a flexible paper like this, press the soil, then add cement on one side like this. Press it slowly like this. Then take your favorite stones and start putting them on the cement in a beautiful pattern. Place stones tenderly, there is no need to push them much. Once you are done, press all stones lightly. Then spray water gently initially as well as for 2-3 times for first 24 hours and wait for it. After 24 hours the patio will be ready. I will continue with the tray garden landscape in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.